Ang hirap kapag ang taong mahal mo nasa malayo. Ni hindi mo siya ma-comfort sa mga oras na pagod siya sa trabaho. Wala ka sa tabi niya sa oras ng karamdaman. Ni hindi mo man lang siya makasama sa oras ng kasiyahan. Pero kahit ganito ang sitwasyon naming dalawa, pinipilit kong gawan ng paraan para makita lang na masaya siya. Ipinararamdam ko na siya lang at wala ng iba. Hanggang dumating ang araw na hindi na lang kami sa video call nagkakasama. Ako si Mark at patience and understanding ang aking language of love. My love, if there's one thing na kailangan ng partner ninyo, whenever meron silang pinagdadaanan, near or far, long distance man yan o hindi, that is understanding. Your undying and constant understanding. Kasi yung partners natin, meron silang mga pinagdadaanan. Sometimes, they can choose to vocally express yung nararamdaman nila. They can share it with you. Pwede nilang ikwento kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nila. But there are battles that they try to fight on their own. Battles that are within. And you constantly being there for them as a language of love, kahit walang physical touch, kahit wala yung tinatawag nilang affection, it means the world to them. Kasi sa gulo ng mundo, you would expect that your partner will be your safe haven. You would expect na yung chaotic environment, surroundings na meron ka, your partner will be your peace. And for that to happen, your partner must be patient and understanding. So if you are this type of a partner, then you don't even have to say anything or do so much. You being there will always be enough for your partner. Lalong-lalo na sa mga may partner na goal-getter. Ito yung tinatawag nating mga career mode. It's hard to be with someone na sobrang focused sa career nila. They are always chasing their dreams. Sometimes, even if they don't want to, nilalagay nila yung partners nila sa second or third or minsan least of their priorities. And most of the people won't understand a person like that. Most of the people would demand attention. They would demand affection. They will demand time, and there's nothing wrong with that. Kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, if you're not ready to commit to a relationship we're in, kailangan mong maging present, kailangan mong maging responsible for someone, then don't get in that type of a relationship. That's why lagi silang hindi closed-hearted pero laging guarded yung puso nila when it comes to committing into a relationship. Because they know deep within, they will chase their dreams. Unahin nila yung career nila, especially when there's a lot riding on it. Kung meron silang pamilya na kailangan itaguyod, kung meron silang pamilya na kailangan buhayin, kung meron silang pamilya na umaasa sa kanila, it's kind of hard for them to actually find a partner who will understand that as of the moment, picking him or her is not on the table. Because yung utak ng taong yun will always be fixated and focused on giving their family a better life. So my love, if your language of love is patience and understanding, again, thank you in behalf of all the career woman and career man out there, in behalf of all the OFW na kumakayod sa ibang bansa, in behalf of the people na merong maraming responsibilities, let me thank you for being a person that someone can rely on, a peace to someone's chaotic world, a safe haven sa isang mundo ng taong puno ng responsibilidad. That is the kind of language ng pagmamahal that this world actually needs. A love that is not selfish. Kasi my love, if you are patient and understanding, that, my love, is true love. That is a love that will last a lifetime. And that is a love worth fighting for day and night. Hindi mo pagsisisihing piliin over and over. And for those people who are with a partner like that, I know that you are busy. I know that you have a lot on your plate. I know na ang dami mong kailangan gawin. Pero I tell you, at the end of the day, those things na ma-achieve mo, those things na maabot mo will mean nothing if the person you want to be with won't be by your side the moment you reached it. The moment na na-reach mo yung top, and the person that made you happy, made you feel safe, made you feel loved, is not beside you, makikita mo, you may have won, you may have a triumphant success sa larangan na gusto mong ma-achieve. You will not be fully happy. There will always be an emptiness na hindi mo ma-fulfill. It's because, my love, no matter how busy you are, no matter how loaded yung ginagawa mo, you have to make time for the person that keeps you sane, for the person that keeps you going, for the person that gave you inspiration through it all. So sa mga ganitong klaseng relationship, pinatatag ng panahon at distansya, may your love prosper. Sana maabot nyo lahat ng pinapangarap ninyo. Because if you fought that hard for someone you love, then you are worthy of all the success this life has to offer. Claro? Claro.